My name is Aaron Davila, and we're the Baile Folklorico de Sam Houston, and you're watching TexanTV!
I'm Haley, and this is TexanTV.
Hey guys, I'm Isaac Gatica, one of the staffers from TexanTV, and I'll be leaving today to go to a US Open. I'll be fighting on Friday, so wish me luck. Bye! Woo!
Hey Texans, our final blood drive is Thursday, March 12th in Gym B. Sign up by scanning the QR code on the flyers around the school. Donors must be 16 or older. Age 16 requires a signed permission slip, and donors must bring a photo ID to their appointment. Donors get a free t-shirt, and seniors who donate twice earn a graduation cord. For more info or to pick up a permission slip, stop by room 929.
I love all the food. Unfortunately, I'm Catholic, but I can't have a lot of the meat. But I love the collard greens, the shrimp, the rice, everything. So I think this is a great thing. All right?
With bacon, we got the cabbage with bacon, yams/sweet potatoes, still haven't figured out, mac and cheese, the shrimp rice, dirty rice, and normal rice.
Scott, one of the social workers here on campus, and I am looking forward to the Yolanda Home Soul Food Luncheon. I have some mac and cheese, some green beans, some collard greens, cornbread, cabbage, and of course yams and cake. I love soul food. This is what I grew up on, and so I'm excited to be able to celebrate and share a little bit of our culture with everybody. Oh my goodness. Don't be scared, baby. Pick it up. There you go. Right here? Right there. Yes. Oh my goodness, thank you, that's good.
From the potluck, I got a deviled egg, I got some cornbread, I got some rice, and some chocolate cake.
So how did you enjoy your potluck food?
I'm very much enjoying it. It's a great way to, go into the weekend for a Friday lunch.
Attention current freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. Counselors are sending out next year's course selections to you through your school Google account. Expect to see this sometime this week or by Monday, March 2nd. You will have until Friday, March 6th, to communicate with your counselors if you would like to make a change. Communication will be through your school email. Do not wait to do this. This deadline is much earlier this year.
Hey Texans, this is Mr. Agnaga, and I teach Pre-AP Algebra 2. So when I graduated college and I started getting my teaching certification, I interviewed just about every high school here in Arlington and Mansfield. I got a lot of job offers, so I got to choose where I wanted to work. And looking at the students and seeing how I was pretty similar to our students growing up, immigrant parents, first generation student, it was an easy choice to choose Sam Houston High School. I chose to teach math because one, it was a very high need teaching job, and two, I had a couple options of what to teach, but teaching wise, I like teaching math more. I try to inspire my students any way I can. I connect with them either in class with the material, what's going on in the news, what's going on in our community, some mutual interests, whatever I can do. My biggest expectation from my students, from my class, is really just critical thinking. Making sure we make connections through stuff we have learned and how we're applying it. Because in Algebra 2, we really do not learn too much brand new material. It's really using stuff that we already should know. My favorite unit and probably lesson in the upcoming semester is going to be our lesson on imaginary numbers. So we're going to talk about stuff that is not real, and we're actually going to take our students into some theoretical math for the first time ever. The biggest challenge facing math education today, there's a couple of things we can talk about. We can talk about how to teach math, the proper way to deliver a lesson, what we should base our material on. Of course, there's AI. A lot of students are using it as a crutch instead of learning basic skills and using it as an advanced tool, as just actually use it in place of their own knowledge. I've learned a lot of skills from teaching Algebra 2. Probably the biggest one is being able to trying to identify students' needs, and instead of just having one way to go about a problem or try to make a connection, knowing how diverse our students are, not only in the way they are, but in the way they think, is coming up with different ways to communicate with them the material. If money didn't matter, which is kind of crazy because this is my dream job. I've had a lot of other jobs before, but besides teaching, I think maybe being a farmer. My wife's family has a big farm, and it would be pretty nice just to retire and kind of go disappear and just work the land. The biggest change education will see, of course, always different ways to deliver content, deliver lessons, what we can use, tools. Of course, AI, there's some schools trying to be based solely on AI, some schools trying to bring it into the curriculum. It's just, I think we're hitting a new age of what kind of digital tools we can use and should use. This is Mr. Agnaga. Go Texans!
I'm Mr. Peller and the Texan TV showrunner. We are looking for new staffers for next season of Texan TV. If you would like to apply, go to TexanTV.net, look for a link to apply for a Texan TV staff position, or you can go right into the description on Texan TV episodes and click on that link to go and apply. Now, once you apply, we will bring you in for an interview and an audition, and then we'll see how you do. And at that point, we will decide if you would join staff. So we would like you to do that as soon as you can, because we need to make these decisions very quickly. Thank you, Texans. Go Texans, and go Texan TV.
We're here with
K3,
Jasmine,
Wyman Crawford,
Essence Tate, Taylor, Denaya, Kayla.
the first question is anime or K-dramas?
Anime,
Anime.
Anime,
Anime. 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 Anime.
Would you rather only wear short sleeves or long sleeves for the rest of your life?
short sleeve because I like to be cool, not hot. I don't want to have to wear long sleeve all my life.
Yeah, short sleeves because I rather be cool.
Only wear short sleeves.
Short sleeve. Short sleeve. Long sleeve. Long sleeves.
If you could make up a rule everyone has to follow, what would it be?
A rule everyone have to follow. It'll be anytime everybody get paid, I need $1,000 out of everybody's checks.
It was to be nice to everyone.
I'm Haley, and you've been watching Texan TV.
Call me king every day.
Call me to go every day. Give me $10. That was mine. Give me $50 every time you get some money every day. I think healthcare should be free.
I'm Haley, and you've been watching Texan TV.
That's why it's important the students come here to school every single day because they get
Y'all heard that?
And 90% they will be friends.
Y'all heard that? Every day. Come to school every day.
When they